African Footprints Foundation and its flagship African Footprints International collaborated with Denmark to commission a rehabilitation center in Cape Coast to provide specialized care for persons living with Parkinson's disease. Recognizing African music and dance as effective therapeutic tools, the founder of the African Footprints Foundation, Samuel Kweku Addison, explained that the center will also offer care and support for persons affected by stroke and dementia.
I would say that anybody who is suffering from Parkinson's, when I started the idea for the rehabilitation center, I said that anybody suffering from Parkinson's will access it fully. And those who have stroke and other things. But those who have good health and would like to train to maintain or sustain their energy or whatever, then they could contribute to sustain the whole project. But I have been working in Denmark in the health and care department, and because of that, I have been able to understand what they need, and I use music and dance to reach them. And I got to know that the dementia respond very much to music. At least it helps them to get their condition better.
Speaking at the event, the Danish ambassador to Ghana, His Excellency Jacob Lenolf, disclosed that experts have already begun training local personnel alongside more than 20 students to deliver specialized services at the facility.
So there are actually quite a few things for this. This center in Green Hills in Cape Coast, it is already now a center for cultural exchange between Denmark and Ghana. So today we have seen more than 20 young students coming out here. We have seen this group of young physiotherapy students who will stay here for several weeks to help educate and train locals who can then use the facilities here for local people in Cape Coast and neighboring area who suffer from different kinds of lifestyle diseases. So I hope the center here will be available for that. And then we also have here, we have Danish musicians who work with Ghanaian musicians. So we have this musical twist to healthcare where the happiness that comes from music also transfers to the happiness of our minds.
Meanwhile, the head of the board of African Footprints Foundation in Denmark, Marge Morgensterne, noted that the project will not only raise awareness but also prioritize collaboration and capacity building.
This project will create awareness. We will go out with some pop-ups in the villages and other places in Cape Coast and tell about it. And then people can come forward to this clinic and also to our collaboration with the teaching hospital and UCC. And get advices. So we have the students here, but we also collaborate with physiotherapists in Ghana. So we work together and we inspire each other and we will build up capacity.
From Cape Coast, Abigail Lissel Nkrumah reports for JoyNews.